This is a short video of the group of trees that came down in last night's thunderstorm, or whatever it was, that blew through Muskoka. I'll take a walk around the backside where you can see where the roots were. And you can see the roots are about 12 feet high and some missing shoreline. Pretty massive. I'll walk around to the front. It's starting to rain now, so I want to go quick. I think this is a little beyond a guy with a chainsaw. I'll have to call the insurance on this one. That used to be a patio area, and where all these trees are, that's a frog pond, the waterfall, but you can see the trees have filled it in.